Hi, I'm Ashraf and I will be explaining about the female reproductive cell in aquatic organism. I will take fish as my example for the aquatic organism. For the cell structure of the fish egg cell, it is surrounded by a hard and thick egg envelope called the chorion, in which a hole, the micropyle, is present. Diagram A shows the egg cells for freshwater fish and diagram B shows the egg cells for marine fish. Cell function. The egg cell is functioned to carry the set of chromosomes contributed by the female fish. The chorion functions to protect the developing embryo. The micropyle functions for the path for the spermatozoa to enter the egg. Cell composition. The cell consists of maternal mRNAs, numerous organelles, yolk inclusions, proteins, lipid droplets, and pigments intermingled in the egg cytoplasm. The gene associated with the cell is the P415C17. What is importance? The gene is a key branch in fish steroid hormone synthesis. What happens if mutation occurs? It will affect the production of the sex steroids in the gonad. That's all from me.
Next, I will present about the reptile female reproduction, which is amniotic egg. Amniotic egg structure are shell, amniotic cavity filled with amniotic fluid, amnion, embryo, allantois, yolk, yolk sac, and albumin. Amniotic eggs contain albumin, which provides the embryo with water and protein, and egg yolk that supplies the embryo with energy. The chorion, amnion, and allantois are key membranes found only in amniotic eggs. A gene that associates with this cell is Hox gene. A complete inventory of Hox genes in crocodiles, turtles, snakes, and lizards has been reported on 2011. This gene provides the instruction to build a turtle docilized trunk, yet changing environment conditions with occasional modifications in body plan architecture. Mutations in the Hox genes can result in body parts in the wrong place along the body.
Next, I'm going to present about a mammal female production. Cell structure. The outer of the ovum is collaborated by a layer of flat and cube-shaped germination cell, and it is static. Cell function carry the set of chromosomes contributed by the female and create the right environment to enable fertilization by the sperm. Ovum also provide nutrients from the growing embryo until it skin into the uterus and the placenta takes over. Cell position has a central nucleus that contains the genetic material. Around the nucleus is the cell plasma or egg yolk, which contains nutrients essential for the developing egg cell. Gene associated with the cell is BOOP1. What happens is mutation occurs to this gene is it will lead to aneuploid, which is having missing our extra chromosome. Important of this gene is involved in the regulation of the proper division of space of chromosome during the egg maturation process. This is the end of our presentation. Thank you for learning.